In today's video, I will show you how to find your Cash App Cashtag. Cash App is a banking and investing application where you can send and receive money using a Cash App card, buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks, and more. Now, your Cashtag is your unique Cash App username that other people use to send you money. If you're not sure where to find it, don't worry, as it's quick and easy. Now let's get started. First, open Cash App on your device. Then, once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. On your profile page, you will see your account information. Just below your display name, you will find your Cashtag. This is your unique Cash App username, and you can share it with anyone who wants to send you money. For example, if your Cashtag looks like this, people can search for that username to find your account. However, if you would rather share a QR code instead, tap your profile icon again to open your profile, then select the QR code option. Cash App will display your personal payment QR code, which others can scan to pay you instantly. You can also tap the share icon in the top right corner to send your Cashtag or QR code directly through text message, email, or social media apps like Instagram. And that's all there is to it. Finding your Cashtag only takes a few seconds, and it's completely safe to share it with others if you want them to send you money. And that's how easy it is to look up your Cashtag on your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.